Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this 8-in-1 Type-C hub desktop metal holder for tablet and more. BYEASY, easy to do it. You can use it with your iPad Pro or MacBook Pro and extend at the monitor or TV the video and audio, and for other laptop brands. At the same time you can connect a flash drive, mouse, keyboard and other USB devices. Or you can use it with your smartphone or tablet and fast charge them. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual. Wow, I like it. We have the cable, 40 cm, Type-C to Type-C, it is very thick. It is durable, it feels that you have a premium product. Aluminium, and it looks great. Definitely it will fit at any office. We have a large anti-slip strip on both the base and the pedalum section, make the stand more stable. Definitely it is very secure. You can adjust it, lift that. 360-degree rotation to meet your needs for all angles. Nice. And you can make the adjustments. Even here we have these silicone pads. And you can have your tablet, or you can have your smartphone and adjust it. However and whenever you want, and rotate. I like it. Definitely you will find the right position. And it looks great. I like it. Now let's see what connections we have. Starting here we have the SD card slot. You can have the SD card here. Or you can connect the micro SD card. Type-C. Power delivery, we have 100 watts for charging here. The HDMI port 4K 30 Hz. The Ethernet port 1 gigabit. USB 3 5 gigabit per second. You can connect your flash drive, mouse, keyboard, whatever you want. Or you can connect an audio, headphones, or your speaker. In my case, I will connect my laptop and see how I can extend the video and the audio at my monitor or at my TV. I will see. Nice! They even have in here silicone pads and here, so you will not damage when it is at this position the aluminium surface. First I will connect the Type-C cable from my laptop at this hub here. Correct. The SD card. There are the files. Next, the HDMI cable. and the Ethernet cable, here it is. Flash drive, my keyboard, so many devices, and my speaker. Nice. Find the right position, and there you have all the devices connected at this hub. And I have my tablet. At this time I will not use my tablet, only my laptop and my second monitor. 1 gigabit Ethernet connection, we can see. Now pressing the Windows key and the P from my keyboard, I can choose a PC screen only or duplicate. And it will turn on and my second monitor. And of course you can watch in both monitors the same thing. You can check that video after watch my videos on YouTube right in the corner or down below in the description. Now let's check some of the specs. Impact energy and you can adjust the volume. Rotation speed is from 0 to 800 from your speaker that I already connected at the hub. 3900 IPM. Drilling capacity, it is 40 mm in wood, the diameter. Or from the keyboard. In brick, 32 mm in concrete and 13 mm in steel. You will see the same thing at both monitors. Or Windows and P again, you can use extend. And now, what we can do. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. On my laptop I can watch one video here, and then I can drag and watch some pictures on my other monitor. So watching a video on my laptop, and at my other monitor, here I can watch some pictures. Or you can just start typing, whatever you want, editing. And again you can drag, there is the picture, choose what monitor you want to watch this picture. I like it. Again here, stop playing the video, and then again Windows and P. I can choose second screen only, this one, and I can work only at this screen, at this monitor. The monitor at my laptop, it is off. And again Windows and P, I can choose only PC screen, the laptop's monitor. So easy to change between displays and connect so many devices at this hub. Extend again. Drag. Now here I can have the video. We have one large zip insert for coffee powder for preparing 2 cups of espresso or 1 cup of and the other one small for small cup of coffee. Monitor, I can have the picture. More information about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below in the description. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Have a nice and lovely day. Subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.